Right, so how to set one of these kind of generic drop door, live catch or humane rat traps. You can get these from quite a lot of different places under different brand names, but they're normally always just regarded as a humane rat trap. So I'll show you how to set it in any little bits, and I'll explain how they work, because if you know how they work, then it makes more sense to how to set them. So you've got the treadle plate here, which on it has this arm. You see it there? This little arm, and that will lock into this one, or will lock behind it. So you pull the door up. On the back of the door there's a little kind of notch here. This bar runs up and comes along to here. See it there? So this notch, just here, sit on top of there. Once this is locked in at the back, it'll stop it going down. Once the treadle plate is stood on, it removes that one comes down, and the door will come down. So the door just slots in. Lock these two together, so that one's sat behind it. You slot this in, so your notch sits on top of that bar. I'll move the camera so you can see it. See it there? Put your bait at the back of the trap there, put some through, and the animal stands on the treadle plate there. Like I said, this will move either way, releasing this bar up. This part will come down, the door will come down. On the top here, you just about see it. Just here is a little bit of bent spring steel, and that acts as a lock for the door. Now, if you find your door's not coming down properly like that, I'll show you what to do. Get a little bit of something like cooking oil, and just drop a bit down there. Some sort of edible oil. You could put a little bit on the edges. Right, so again, take your door out or lift it up, lock this arm behind that one, make sure this is far enough forward, place your door in so that the little notch sits on the arm. can see here, this is how that bit works. It just wedges underneath the top of the trap. Right, that's how to set one of these generic kind of live catch drop door rat traps.